Hello friend, welcome to Market Analysis channel. Today I will be giving analysis on Space ID. Space ID has been one of our favorites, but it's showing us some critical formation which we need to look at in detail. Remember, Space ID was a new project and it ranged for several periods of time before it finally had this huge rally for about 5 sections. And after that, Space ID keep coming down. It retraced, it stopped at the 21-day exponential moving average. It couldn't stop the downward pressure, and the price fall back drastically to where it ranged earlier, that's around its support zone. As Space ID is trading towards the support zone, Space ID hit the support zone with this particular bar, and from there it couldn't go any lower. It had an upward close bar, but the bar lacked volume. It also had two bars that are rally, but those bars are not strong enough to push Space ID upward. So as you can look at it now, it's now trading, still resting and trading on the support zone. When you look at the volume of the last 4 bar, you see that those volumes are well below the average volume. What that is telling us is that the sellers are getting weaker. They don't have any more strength to keep pushing Space ID to the downside. And what is now needed is the buyers. It happened here a little bit when this bar came up, but it lacked volume. The second bar, the volume is almost at average. And this third bar, it has a very strong volume, but it didn't close very strong. That's why the price couldn't continue and the sellers came in again. But now, we have another upward close bar. Another one came up again, and we haven't seen any selling pressure pushing it downward again. Remember, this is a support zone. Support zone is an area whereby buyers gain more strength and they add more to their position. So the price is a support zone. It's an area of buyers where buyers retreat and where they push in heavily. What we now need to confirm is we need an upward close bar, anyone that is similar to this, and it should have a volume above average volume, this type of volume on this bar. Once we have that has finally confirmed that Space ID has bounced up from its support zone. And when that happens, it will now head towards its resistance zone. Once Space ID gets to its resistance zone, we'll wait for it to break the high price of the resistance zone, which it trade earlier, that's 1.0547. Once it finally break above that price, we will know that the uptrend has resumed in Space ID and our rally can continue. Let me measure the percentage so we can see where our projection will be in Space ID once it finally break above the resistance zone. Okay, I'm going to measure that in a jiffy. I'll be measuring from this low of the rally to the top of the rally, which is around 139% increase for Space ID. So if Space ID finally come to the resistance zone and it break above it, we will expect Space ID to make a move of around 139% increase, and that will give us a target price of 2.4899. yes, that's around 2.50. so our target price will be around 2.50 if Space ID finally break above the resistance zone. If this analysis really help you, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, paste it in the video comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.